They ain't robbing me no more. $7 in gas the other day. They ain't robbing me no more. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. This boy can't drive, y'all. We had Porsche today. We're looking at a Taycan.
Yours come back either today or tomorrow?
We're gonna sell them the same, put them on the trailer. About to go hit legs today. Every now and then I look at my YouTube comment section and they say, Miles, that the channel fell off. That the channel fell off. The views ain't like they used to be. Well, let me tell you this, everybody. My views, every 14 years, going on 15 years on YouTube, roller coaster. Everybody, you could go on PewDiePie, roller coaster. It's just how a network works. When they want you to pop, you pop. When you don't, you don't. That's what y'all gotta remember, bro. 2 years ago, my channel was really dead. Armageddon. I was only getting 10,000 views a day, and I had about 2 million subscribers. It is what it is. That's the internet. You know what I mean? That's social media. Everybody ain't gonna accumulate the same amount of views every month, every year. So with me, it don't matter, because I always use YouTube as a platform to do other things. So that's what, you know, people don't get. And years ago until this day, I just say it's gas money, bro. Never been my main source of income, thank God. I'm gonna do some lazy day. We got a lot of roaming around to do, malls, test driving, Porsches, and just a host of stuff, man. You know what I mean? And for those that also concerned with how Kali Must will make his money, Google me. You'll see acting, author, music. You'll see supplements. You'll see social media. What goes on? You see OnlyFans. You see. So you ain't gotta ask no more. I just out hustle you, your parents, and everybody you know. I don't have no restrictions on my life. You know what I mean? If I gotta do what I gotta do, I'ma do what I gotta do. A lot of y'all don't have that, and I ain't doing that. I can't. We cut from different cloths, bro. Everybody got their gifts and talents. Utilize them to the fullest. I learned as a kid, I was just fearless with expression upon the human race, humanity. And so I never been concerned with what another human thought of me and how I act and how I look and how all like depressing stuff y'all commit suicide about. Getting that money like I'm about to shoot a music video, man. Dressed to impress at all times. Feel like we in a gym of robots. Everybody dressed the same and everything. Look the same. I was never that one. I used to come in my little streakers, like I'm gonna do in the summer. Yeah. I'm gonna be in designer this summer. You know what I mean? Designer, Versace, Gucci, Louis, just to try something new. You know what I mean? We gotta reinvent ourselves. Right. You know, I wear my clothes a couple of times a week, but that's how it's gonna be this summer, man. Go show them how to do it, man. Yeah. Gotta get OG muscle outfit. Boring.
Then why do you film?
Boring.
Why do we even film leg videos then? You know?
Hey, like my boy, I learned from my boy, Big Boy. Throw it in there. Whatever we doing, throw it in there. Yeah. Be hitting the bag, throw it in there, bro. Yeah. Like Jay, we knew he was shy. He was like, hey, let's get this content.
Yeah, that's right. They like that content, even though they complain about it. Looking like a chessboard today.
Oh yeah, I play chess out here, baby. I be playing chess. You know, I'm actually a chess master.
Yeah.
I'm a chess master.
You told me that.
I had to wear the chessboard. You know what I mean? Playing chess with it. I like it. You just see that? This my chess outfit. I gotta get every color now. Ugh, this is stiff. She ain't got no lube on her.
So you kind of like it like that? You were telling me the other day.
Like what?
You said you like a little friction.
Not on this. I want a smooth.
Oh, okay.
So whenever you're on a machine like this, you want a pump. And that's, for me, y'all know it's everything, but especially right here. I'm just going for like 20 reps or better.
Oh, that's sick.
I need to do an exchange. Okay. I want to exchange the one I bought the other day for this one. It's 52 top, 52 bottom. Which is that though? I'm gonna have to order them. Okay. Oh, that's the one you want?
Yeah, that's the one.
Ooh, how that feel though, boy. See.
I know. I'm gonna have to get it.
Silk.
That one's cold too.
Oh, we got the socks with it, boy. Them socks with it, boy.
Oh, the scarf? I mean, if they had the green scarf, that'd be sick.
Wow. Order the shorts to this one. Yeah, that's the print. So, this 4S, then the turbo. Ooh, that'd be dope if it was gold. Bye-bye. They want 140? Yeah.
4S for 140? I still want to test drive it.
Yeah. Beef and like meat, yeah.
Yeah, I wanted you big.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I wasn't thinking.
Well, we don't know.
You don't know yet till we get
We hear stories, like me, I heard stories of bodybuilders. Main source of car was oatmeal and white rice. They ain't robbing me no more. $7 in gas the other day. They ain't robbing me no more. I'd rather pay electricity bill.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna get robbed like that, bro. You know what I mean? They voted for the mother they voted for, and that's what we getting. You know what I mean? Electric, man. What's that other one we test drove, the same 4S?
It was a turbo.
Oh, it was a turbo?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll let you drive this. You don't like that much power. I'll let you drive this. You don't like that much power.
Okay.
This guy, he can't handle the gas on that, so he go drive it, test drive it.
At the Shell, it's like almost $6.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it is. I just have flashbacks when it was $5, and what was it, 2008, I believe it was. Bro, I was cashing in coins. Motherfucker went broke. I had a Cadillac. Oh, that was hitting me for like 100 a day. My money went
crazy.
depleted.
522 horsepower. 3.8.
Yeah, he know all about it.
3.8 seconds, 0 to 60, and it gives you on a full charge. It gives you from 249 to 280 miles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, on a full charge.
Yeah, stock ones look better to me. Where it got the white inside wheel. What's the name of those? Hyphy, you got them good young eyes, boy.
Boston Hybrid Forge.
Oh, Boston.
I don't know how to do none of this.
Come on, genius.
I'm a genius.
Not.
Yeah, it's a 4S.
Convert, move with times, put on some goddamn.
I know, dude. Got a 4S. All right.
Oh, let's see if it's in Super Sport. But test drive this giant. Ooh, this reminds me of my Porsche Panamera.
The seats are comfortable. There's plenty of leg room.
Oh, yeah.
I love old people. I love you Q-tips. It is pretty fast.
This is 3.8, man.
It's got that nice little sound.
Yeah,
God damn, Tesla, can you learn to drive? God damn.
I don't know how to drive.
I don't know how to drive.
Just want to you off for 0C. See me smoked out with a day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. This boy can't drive, y'all.
I do like it. It doesn't got soul, but I do like it.
You like it because you can save a few dollars on gas.
That's right. Guess what? Save a few dollars on gas. I buy more.
Oh, it got the same
Dior.
PI.
Ooh, you buy this, you get more Dior. You know what I mean? Go buy some more Dior.
Yeah, I've been wanting one of these since they came out.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I was gonna get rid of the Panamera and get one of these. That was my plans.
And you had what'd you have in your Panamera?
It was a 4S.
All right.
It was the level before the turbo.
I think it goes GTS after this though.
Yeah, well, not Panamera. The Panamera too. It had a GTS.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, two. I had a 4S, then GTS. Yeah.
It's got that pull, you know. Oh, is it all-wheel drive?
Uh-huh.
That's why it feels like that.
Well.
So I do like that.
Uh-huh.
Oh, well, you just get a crazy rap on it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd have to come up with some crazy idea because it's, you know, it's a. But you know, the Trackhawk isn't, you know, with the wide body kit, it's a Grand Cherokee, right?
Mm-hmm.
You just come up with a cool design for it and that and get the rims right and it sets it off. This is like, you know,
luxurious.
Yeah, luxurious. So you have to do set it off, but you don't want to do too much,
exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
You love Dodge.
Oh yeah, they put me in the car game.
Yeah. Is that so you can charge it into a wall or something?
Yeah.
Mobile charger?
Had this plug at your house. Get an oil change on my car.
Is that your car on park on my exit?
Yeah.
Pull it on the entrance side. You got a couple hours for me?
Oh, you need a couple hours?
Oh yeah, no appointment. Park on the other side. I'll be right out there, boss.
Okay.
Strange energy.
Add oil.
Happy boy, turn the camera off. Add oil.
So should I just add oil? It don't say it need a
Last oil change. That part don't work. The rest of the car works. The rest of that don't work.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, he wouldn't have did that.
Oh,
He wouldn't have did that. Yeah, he wouldn't have did that.
So you think gold?
Yeah.
Tiny gold.
I mean, come on, dude. I mean, it fades to a green. So can you choose two colors?
Right, yeah.
Go one here and then fade to another color there. These guys, it's all about money. You got the money, lay on top.
Exactly. Just a taycan. No 4, no 4S.
Just regular?
4S. Right up your alley, boy.
Y'all have any turbos recently? No?
What's this one going for?
147.
Oh, that's not bad.
So that's what they're going for.
I'll run there. Yes.
Yeah.
All these high-powered cars.
Yeah.
We like, we got to get us some electric.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, I like this one. I think sick.
Ooh. Nice little salad there, boy. Got the onions on top. My breath about to be stanky because I'm eating them. We had Porsche today. We're looking at a Taycan.
Yep.
Taycan. Potato, however you want to pronounce it. You know what I'm saying? It's a Porsche. Electric Porsche. So I see they got some grapes up in here. Got the steak up in there. Walnuts. This might be, they got feta cheese. I should have told them not to put that if I would have done.
Blue cheese.
Thank you for this day. Thank you for blessing us. We ask that you continue watching over us. Don't let these demons come into our existence. Don't even let them talk to us like today, Lord. Thank you for keeping me as disciplined, as humble as possible. I know I failed the test, but I'm trying. You already know. So we ask that you continue blessing our health, wealth, success, our family, friends, associates. Amen. See what we got here, boy. It took forever. It better be good, boy. Kumbaya. First, stay solid.
Oh, it might be blue cheese. I don't know. I usually don't eat blue cheese.
Only thing I don't like about salad, all the chewing. Good. It ain't just BS.
Shredded lettuce.
Right.
So
How you doing?
Good. I got this thing done today.
Oh, nice.
I drove it. So far, so good. I
Well,
want to drive it one more time before I give it back to you.
oh yeah.
Then we're good to go.
Yeah, I'm not in the rush.
Yours come back either today or tomorrow.
Oh, today? Oh, okay.
We're going to sell them the same. Put them on the trailer.
Yeah.
If not today, tomorrow. And I got to put all the covers back on, and you should be done to this week too.
Okay.
So,
So, when do you think I
Wow.
actually have possession of it? You think I get possession of it?
I'm gonna go Friday to be on the safe side,
Oh, really? Okay.
if not sooner. Because I just gotta put covers on. Covers will take 2-3 hours to put on.
Oh, okay.
Once he brings it over here,
Okay.
I just gotta wait for him.
Is he done?
He's done.
Okay.
I just talked to him today.
Okay, cool.
So He was supposed to bring it today, but you know how that goes. So
Yeah.
hopefully, if not tonight, tomorrow morning, afternoon,
Okay.
Nice.
get it done. What's tomorrow? Tuesday. If I get it done
Meant
by
to be.
Wednesday, do a final test drive, make sure everything's good. There you go.
All right, cool. That's
Wow.
cool. This week then.
Yeah, I'm planning on this week
Yeah.
to get both your cars out. Yours probably tomorrow.
Okay.
Sick.
Well,
Appreciate you, bro.
Good timing. We can sell these motherfuckers.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.